Today, I'm going to show you one of our latest projects, and it's called Retro Impact Guidelines. We built this platform to make the retro PGF process more open, accessible, and easy to navigate, not just for badge holders, but as well for the entire OP community and ecosystem. In this walkthrough, I'm going to guide you to the platform as an end user, what it is, and how does it work. So basically, when a user comes to this platform, the main goal is very simple. They want to better understand the impact that different contributors had access in the retro PGF runs. As well, they could evaluate and they could want to evaluate the projects in a better way to make more informed decisions. So whether you're exploring projects, comparing contributions, or just trying to get a clear picture of how funding decisions were made, everything is organized here to make that journey easier and more intuitive. So let's start by taking a look at the information we gathered from Retro PGF1. Here, very simple, we will see a summarized view of the retro and how the projects were evaluated and general trends that emerged from that first round. So as you can see, we added some hyperlinks, so interesting insights, and a brief overview of the process. It's easy, right? On the left side of the website, what we can see are different rounds. From here, we can choose which round to take a deeper look. So let's go to, let me show you the round 3, so I can highlight where the platform really shines. On each round, we will have here the category section, and we added for each round a category related to general info, so we will let end users understand more about it. But after that general info, we can go deeper on each category. So for example, we can go to developer ecosystem on the round 3. So here's a short introduction about how was this category composed by. We decided to make this website with steps or different tabs. So in the first tab, you will have information about this category, but in the second one, we will have filters and questions to make. The idea here is that let badge holders to make themselves good questions about the projects that could be assigned here to assign a better and a proper amount of funding for the one selected. So for example, if we want to see questions related to adoption and usage, they could click here and ask these kind of questions to have a better understanding on what matters and what does not matter. As well, in the next tab, we can go to this section, the one related to data to validate, and instead of making questions, we can go with deeper data and information. So this is mostly everything on the platform. Of course, the biggest or most important part of it is built for admin, so the back office is pretty cool, but for end users, this is almost everything. So thank you so much for taking the time to explore this project with me today, and feel free to dive in, explore, and let us know your feedback. Look, here, right in the corner, you can go to our website and send us a message, or as well, you can take a better look of this project in our open source GitHub repo. So see you there. Thank you so much. Bye.